Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about Dewalt impact drill or hammer drill, XR 20 volt max. I have to say it's a real good drill. Feels real good on the hand. Has a lot of rugged material. Brushless motor. Has a lithium-ion 20 volt battery, compact design, smaller than the older version. It does have a battery indicator, tells you the life of the battery, what's left. It does come with the belt clip, a tool clip. It has a 3-speed. And it does have the 3 LEDs, as you can see. I gotta say, it's been a good drill. This is the one that we use the most. It does come with the charger. The charger lets you know if the battery pack is charging, or if it's charged, or if it's on delay, like hot or cold, real hot or real cold. This drill, it comes with the 3-year consumer limited warranty. It weighs about 7.3 pounds. It's a 1/4 drive at 20 volts. Battery is a lithium-ion. It's a quick release drill. The dimensions on this one is it's 5 inches and 3/10 by 4 for this way, and by 10 tall. So pretty much those are the dimensions. Has reversible like any other drill. But I gotta say, it feels real good in the hand. I mean, it's a lightweight, weight distributed. You know, it feels equal weight here in the battery, so it's not gonna tire you on one side. You know, it's well distributed weight. I have the older version of this one. This is the 18 volt impact drill. As you can see, it's a little bigger than the newer version. It's longer, and the battery is bigger. This one's been through hell and back. It's as you can see, it's pretty beat up, and it's still going like new. Served real well. And I'll put these like this so you guys would see the differences. Batteries are the big difference there. They weigh about the same, maybe a few grams less than this one. But yeah. This is my quick review on this 20 volts max XR hammer drill or impact drill. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and smash the little bell icon on the subscribe button. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.